In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an appointment schedule in Google Calendar for client consulting hours. To get started, open Google Chrome and go to Google Calendar. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account before you begin, especially if you manage more than one calendar. Once Google Calendar is open, take a moment to look at your current schedule so you can clearly decide when you want clients to be able to book time with you. Next, look toward the upper left area of the screen and click the Create button, marked with a plus sign. A menu will appear with several options. From that list, choose Appointment Schedule. This opens the scheduling setup where you can define when people are allowed to book meetings with you. If this is your first time using the feature, you may see a guided setup screen. Just continue into the Appointment Schedule creation area. Now, the important part is setting up your availability in a way that supports your workflow. You want to block out specific hours for client consulting while keeping your production time unavailable. In practice, that means only adding the time windows when you actually want meetings to happen. For example, if you prefer handling client calls in the afternoon and keeping mornings focused for deep work, only mark the afternoon hours as available. Leave your production hours closed by simply not including them in the appointment schedule. As you set this up, think carefully about consistency. It often helps to choose consulting hours that are easy to remember and repeat from day to day or week to week. That way, clients get a clear booking experience and you protect the parts of your schedule that need uninterrupted focus. The goal here is to make your calendar work for you, not the other way around. Before finishing, review the available time blocks you entered. Double-check that your consulting hours are open exactly when you want them to be, and confirm that production times are not being offered for booking. This quick review can help prevent scheduling conflicts later. Once everything looks right, save the appointment schedule. After that, your Google Calendar will reflect the client consulting